hirap mag-online selling, sobra. Kaya, kapag ka merong isa nagtiwala sa'yo, maging grateful ka dun. So, as promised, mag-unbox tayo ng washing machine ni Sharp. This is model ESJN07A9GY. 7 kg capacity. So, ang advantage nito is napakamura niya compared to other brands. SRP is at 11,498, pero sa online sellers, you can have it for as low as 10,800. You can visit our page, SMEC Home Appliances and more. So, just to give you a brief information about this, complete accessories na rin to. And meron na rin siyang 10 program course. Tempered glass ang lid with damper. Tub cleaning, stainless ang tub. May child lock feature na rin, so kung may bagets, walang problema. Low pressure valve, tough and durable rust-proof body with air dry function. Malaki na rin yung LED display niya with preset timer, dual filter, lint and magic filter, plastic cabinet. So, with regards to width, height, and dimension, that's 585 by 965 by 563 millimeters. So, ayan, ang dami niyang function. Pwedeng 9, 12, 15, or 20 minutes, up to you. Pwede na rin to para sa mga startup family. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang photoshoot. And again, thank you so much for choosing SMEC Home Appliances and more.